In this video, we'll present the CTERA Migrate tool and focus on the migration part. CTERA Migrate is a built-in data migration engine that provides data discovery and automated import of file shares from legacy NAS systems. First, let's look at the file server we'd like to conduct migration on and the shares and permission sets it has defined. Now, let's connect to the CTERA Edge Filer in order to access the migration tool. Then, from the main screen, we'll select File Server Migration and then Create Job and Migration. With the migration tool, we'll migrate shares to the CTERA Edge Filer. In the next screen, we'll select the server type to connect to from the drop-down box. We'll enter the file server IP address or DNS name and the credentials. Then, the shares on the file server are displayed, and we'll select the ones we'd like to run the migration on, and then select Next. We'll see the Select Options step where we can specify a name for the migration. We can select to migrate the data with the ACLs, and we can specify patterns that we want to or do not want to migrate, like videos or temp files. We can also specify when to start the migration, now or later, and we can limit the bandwidth for it. Once we select Create, the migration will start running. We'll see the amount of data that was migrated, the average speed, and the estimated completion time. Once the migration job is completed, we'll be able to click on Edit and edit the job name, the schedule, and the bandwidth for a future run. We have the options to click on Migration Report and review the details, and optionally click on Log to download the migration log file. Also, we'll be able to select Rerun to run the migration again. Now, going back to the CTERA Edge Filer, we can see that after the migration job ran, the content was copied to it with the same structure and permission set.